Hello everybody, welcome to another lesson in mathematics. So we're still looking at statistics. Today we're going to be looking at the relative frequency. This is the ratio or proportion of the number of times the value of data occurs in the set of all outcomes to the total number of outcomes. So basically, you're going to find out your total frequency, and then you'll be dividing each individual frequency by the total frequency. So again, let's calculate our total frequency. We say 2. These are the examples from previous video. Okay. So we got the total frequency was 28. And as the question stated in our previous video, it said there were 28 babies born in the hospital. So now we're going to calculate the relative frequencies, then also the cumulative relative frequency. Basically, we just be adding up all the frequencies. So we're going to start. We're going to say 2 divided by 28 divided by 28 2 2 divided by 8. That's 0.071428571. Okay, so let me just put it here in brackets to say 2 divided by 28. Okay, Excel refuses to show that. Alright, so we'll do it like this then. Start 2 divided by 28, going 0.071. And so we're going to say 3 divided by 28, get 0.1. And then we're going to say 6 divided by 28, 0.21. And then we're going to say 7 divided by 28, we get 0.25. And then we're going to say 10 divided by 28, we get 0.357. So we're going to now total up our relative frequencies. So the relative frequency always has to total up to 1. Okay, if it doesn't total up to 1, then there's a mistake somewhere. Let's add all the relative frequencies together, and we get 1. All right. So what we are correct on this one. So now let's get the cumulative relative frequency. So basically, we'll be adding up all these relative frequencies in succession, and we still have to come to 1. Our value has to give us 1. So we're going to start. First, we'll say first our first cumulative frequency is 0.07. And we're going to add it with 0.10, 0.01, 0.107. Okay. Then we're going to add it with this number. Okay, then we're going to say add again. One, right? So like in the previous videos below, you just add all the relative frequencies in succession. So let's go to example 2. All right, let's total up our frequencies. All right, so say 3 plus 7 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 20, we get 72. Okay, then we divide each frequency by the total. So say 3 divided by 72, That's 0.041. Okay, then we're going to say 7 divided by 72. That's 0.097. Then we're going to say 12 divided by 72. 0.166. We're going to say 14 divided by 72. 0.194. Then we're going to say 16 divided by 72. 0.222. And we're going to say 20 divided by 72. 0.2778. So we're now going to have, let's total up all of these. We should get 1 as our answer. Right, so we get 1 as our total, so we're correct. Then for the cumulative relative frequency, the same process. First we start with our first number here. Okay, so we're going to start now adding each of these numbers together. So we're going to say 0.041 plus 0.097. I'm going to say 0.1388 plus 0.16666. And then we say 0.305 plus 0.1944. We get 0.5. I'm going to say 0.5 plus 0.222222 get 0.72222. And we're going to say 0.72222 plus 0.2777 get 1, right? So always remember your relative frequencies all have to always total up to 1, okay? Always. And the relative frequency can also be expressed as a percentage, okay? All these numbers, you can just multiply them by 100 and you get the percentages, okay? Yes. So thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.